What's the meaning of Bob Marley? Bob Marley. Bob Marley.
Bob Marley. Bob Marley. Bob Marley was a Jamaican singer, songwriter, and musician who rose to worldwide fame in the 1970s and became an icon of the reggae and Rastafari culture. His music often advocated for social change and promoted messages of love, peace, and unity. Marley's songs, such as No Woman, No Cry, One Love, and Redemption Song, continue to inspire people all over the world. Additionally, he is remembered for his contribution to the growth and popularization of Jamaican music and culture globally. Despite his premature death in 1981, Bob Marley's legacy lives on through his music and his impact on the world.